Okay, let's talk about the High Point calendar system and what you can do with the calendar. You can see on the screen here, this is a little dashlet that obviously can be moved around if you wanted to. Again, that's part of the My Desktop. To access the calendar, all you need to do is click the calendar name, or you can click Expand Calendar, or you could click underneath Resources Calendars. So let's go into the calendar and show you what you can do here. I'm just going to move the screen down a little bit so we can actually see. Now you have a month view. You can also look at the week if you would like. Gives you a week at a glance, and also you can look at the day, individually by day. If you go back to the month, you can choose different types of calendars that are set up. So you can schedule, for example, conference room scheduling. Sales team can have their own calendar, service department, or just a main company calendar. Okay, so if you look at the sales team calendar, we put in as an example a sales meeting, weekly sales meeting. It's on here. So if I want to click on this particular event, I can just click on that, and it'll take me right into that particular event. There we go. Let's get to that event. Opens up a web page there so that you can actually modify that event. Let me just bring that up into plain view. So you can see it's already set. This is an example of one that's already in place. You can choose your calendar from a pull-down list of where you want to schedule it. So if I wanted to modify this, I could change this around, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cancel that. Now if I wanted to schedule a new event, okay, a new calendar event, that's pretty simple to do. I could just pick a date on the calendar. Let's say the 31st. Okay, it says right there, click on event name or to modify it. Or, here it comes, it's popping up, the new event. Alright, so now again, I'm just going to move this up into full screen so we can see the whole thing. So now here again, when I'm scheduling a new event, I can pick, what calendar do I want it to go on. I'll just leave it on the sales team. It's already set for that day because I chose that day. Is it an all-day event? Yes or no? I'm going to choose the time. I'm going to say this is starting at 12 p.m. and it's going to go to 1 p.m. Okay, and do I want this to repeat, like a recurring task? Yes or no? I'm not going to make this one recurring. We're going to make this one just a typical meeting. Okay, if I want to choose users that get email notified, I can click them both by holding down the control key and selecting them with my mouse. Okay, event title, sales presentation to or with ABC company. So they need to be there. And we're going to say present High Point to management team. Okay, so again, I'm just going to move this window up a little bit, go down. If I wanted to add an attachment, like a PowerPoint or something like that to send to the sales team, we could, or a review of the proposal. You can browse for that and send it to the team. I'm just going to go ahead and save that event, and it'll pop it right on the calendar for us. Okay. Now if we go down and look at that calendar again, there it is. Pops right up on the calendar. So that's a really good basic overview of the calendar function within High Point.